Do you want a keyboard that is literally also a mouse? This keyboard has built-in precision gesture control. It has full-size typing plus native trackpad gestures, so no separate trackpad is required. The keyboard has a full 110-key QWERTY low-profile scissor switch keyboard. It has Bluetooth 3-channel and USB-C wired connectivity options. It has beautiful RGB per key lighting with interactive backlight effects. It also has a 40-hour battery life. One of my favorite functions is being able to use the touch slider function of these upper function keys to slide and control the volume and backlight brightness as well. The keyboard merges typing and touchpad surfaces into one. You don't need a separate mouse. It distinguishes intentional gestures versus typing, powered by its Touch On Keys AI engine to avoid false inputs. Within the indicated boxed area, simply tap in order to click, swipe in order to scroll. I also really appreciated just the number of function keys. There are so many things you can do with your keyboard that you really can make your workflow a lot more efficient and quicker and speed up daily tasks you do all the time. This has really helped me create some space on my workstation. I don't need to have any mouse pad anymore. It's also really nice for traveling. I don't have to worry about packing a mouse either. This keyboard comes with a USB-C cable for connection and charging and a very detailed instruction manual as well. Overall, I'm very impressed with this keyboard. It is a quality product that is made very well and feels like a luxury item from the future. It is so intuitive and easy to use. I love how it minimalizes my workflow and my workspace and makes me feel really cool while I'm using it as well. It is a very high quality product and I strongly recommend it.